Now, one thing solving question in this one does to you is that it actually helps your brain, because now you are thinking out of the way. You are doing what the calculator should be doing. Alright, can you just pause this video and see if you can lay your hand on this question and solve it without using calculator? Just take like let me say about 3 minutes. Try solving this question without using calculator, and come back and see if you've actually approached it the right way. I think maybe you are trying to multiply out, then I'll find the square root of the resulting, value after multiplication of those digits that you have before you and adding one. Then you want to find square root. I tell you, you might spend the whole day. For this episode of this knowledge that I've brought your way, I'm going to be showing you how you can solve this question algebraically. You can actually use algebra to solve this question, and in no time, in a few minutes, you arrive at your answer. So let's dive into it very quickly. Now, the first thing you want to do is, let me break it down. I want to use algebra to solve this. I don't have to go through the rigor of trying to multiply 60 by 61 by 62 by 63. So all I need to do is this. So just follow me. This is 60. I can simply rewrite 61 as 60 plus 1. And also I can rewrite 62 as 60 plus 2. At the same time, I can also rewrite 63 as 60 plus 3 and plus 1. I can see that in all of the terms, now we now have 60 in all of the terms. So I can simply say, let x equals to. So anywhere I see x, I'll just put, anywhere I see 60, I'll just put x. So this expression automatically becomes this, x into x plus 1, then multiply by x plus 2, then multiply by x plus 2, then plus 1. So having done that, the next thing I want to do is this. I can rearrange it in this form. So I have x, then x, then x plus 1, then x plus 2 plus 1. And the reason for this is very simple. In mathematics, one thing that is very, very expedient is the fact that you should know where you are heading. And knowing where you are heading is not just enough. You also need to know how you want to arrive at where you're actually heading. For instance, if I'm going to a particular location, I know where I'm going to, but then I don't know the way to that location. There's no way I can, put myself on track, talk less of me getting to my destination. So now I know that I'm trying to manipulate, and there are some manipulations that I'll have to do. Now in my edge, if I expand these two, if I expand them, x plus 1 and x plus 2, now I have the picture of the solution in my head already. Then the picture of that solution actually tells me something, and that's why I'm rearranging so that I'll bring this x and this particular x and this x plus 3 together. You understand what I'm talking about in a jiffy. Now let's go ahead and simplify for. So this will give us, when you multiply the first two terms, you have x squared plus 3x, x squared plus 3x. So you can put that in bracket if you want. Then multiply the next two terms. That will give you x plus x plus x plus 2, then plus 1. So having done that, the next thing we have is x squared plus 3x into x squared plus 3x plus 2, then plus. Now you can see what I was talking about. Now what I have here is the same as what I have here. So I can also manipulate and say, let y be equals to x squared plus 3x. So if that is the case, anywhere I see x squared plus 3x, I can put y. So then that expression becomes y into y plus 2 plus 1. So if I expand this, this will finally give me y multiplied by y will give me y squared plus 2y plus. Now the next thing I want to do now is I can factorize this, and the factor I'll be using is 1. So if I factorize that, I have y squared square root of y squared plus 2y plus 1. So if I factorize this, automatically will give me y squared plus y plus y plus 1. So I have, if I finish this up, to give me y plus 1 all squared. And of course, you know that this root we take out this way. So the simplification of that expression will be y plus 1. But then don't forget that we said y equal to x squared plus 3x. Don't forget this. Y equals to x squared plus 3x. And also x equals to 60. So if we substitute 60 in this expression, so it implies that y will be equals to 60 raised power of 2 plus 3 raised power of 6. Multiplied by 60. Then we can say 60 raised power of 2 will give us what? Let me just quickly do it somewhere here. 60 multiplied by 60, that will give me 3,600 actually. 3,000. So I have 3,600 plus 60 multiplied by 3 will give me what? 180. So if I add up these two, this will give me 3,780. That's my y. So now that I have my y to be 3,780, so that means that this is actually the solution of that particular expression that we had. So we can simply say that square root of 60 multiplied by 61 multiplied by 62 multiplied by 63 is equals to y, and our y is this. So the answer is 3780 plus 1. So this will give us 3,781 without the use of calculator. Now you might be wondering, why do we have to, solve questions in this form? Now one thing solving questions in this form does is that it actually helps your brain, because now you are thinking out of the way, you are doing what the calculator should be doing. Not just that alone, you are also trying to subject your brain to extra stress. And the more stress you subject your brain to, the more wide your brain will become. And before you know it, your reasoning will also improve. That's number one reason. Number two is that there are, quizzes like that you have questions that that has to do with algebra, and you might not be allowed to use calculators in the future. So if the more you solve questions like this without using calculator, the more your brain capacity is enlarged, and that's why it's very necessary you pay attention to all of this, even as you seek for knowledge here and there. That will be all for now. I believe this knowledge has been insightful and helpful. So thank you very much for joining in, and I'll see you